Hello, guys. Welcome to this section with me. Today I want to show you a profitable trade I took today on GBUSD. It's quite a beautiful move, lovely and awesome. So, I'm going to share the top down analysis of that trade, how I was able to get my daily bias for the trade, also identify my targets, where the dual liquidity is, will likely get to minimum, and then how I also enter the trade and manage the trade. So let's start. The first thing I do was to open my trading view, select GBUSD. This was done looking at the structure of the market. Um, so you can see my bias was bearish. Looking at weekly time frame, the market is saying sell. If we look at weekly time frame, our bias on weekly time frame is sell based on the current trend of the markets. You can see last week candle close as a rejection of this bearish order block of weekly time frame. So this week will be a sell, hoping that price will get to this low. And then on daily time frame, where I pick my day-to-day activities bias for my day trades, is also saying sell as well. So um today being Wednesday, my bias is sell basically because price, you know, price broke the low of this up close candle of Monday, broke it and closed below it on Tuesday, which is yesterday. So today, Wednesday, my bias is sell, hoping that price will break the low of previous day and also if possible reach this low right here. So I went to 1 hour time frame to select um both basket liquidity and sell liquidity. Now on 1 hour time frame I noticed this range that happened prior to this market open. So this low of it of this range, that was the low of yesterday's low, and this is the low of uh the low I showed you on the time frame. Now I was hoping that price would break, at least tap into this high, old high right here, to take out basket liquidity that's resting on this old high, with the hope that once price does that, once price tap into this old high, it will reverse and then take out these lows and this low as well. So once I set it is in place on 1 hour time frame, I want to 15-minute time frame. So 15-minute time frame, when the market opened, so I waited, this high was taken out, and then we had a displacement lower, breaking this swing low right here. So I set my entry at the low of this upwards candle right here, which also coincided with this down close candle here. So stop loss above, and then my target was this low and the low I showed you the time frame here as fire targets. And you can see price tap into it right here and went down, touch that low exactly, and now starting to reverse right there. So that was how I was able to take this trade. Now let me walk you through the process of this trade step by step now. So first I'll clear my charts for you to see. Let me use another. So now I'm on daily time frame. Now when you look at this trade actually bearish. How price is respecting up close candles. It is not closing above up close candles. There is making lower lows and much more down close candles. This was expected right there, and the price went further to take out to hit this low right here, take it out. They close in between this range. Now, some might be thinking that because price closed in between this range, it means that price will reverse to take out this old high. Well, maybe, but for me, I saw something else. I saw that there was an old low here and then here, serving as a draw on liquidity that price it will likely get to. So they're like magnets drawing price to come further down to come and take them. So when I saw these lows, I was thinking, based on how this candle closed on Tuesday, for me, I'm still very much bearish. And also since that on our monthly time frame, our overall draw is this swing low right there. Yeah. So I am fully bearish on this currency pair. Now, for me to change my bias to bullish, I would love to see an up close candle that close above a down close candle with full body. Something like this that happened right here. I would love to see this for me to believe that okay, we can have a some sort of reversal. But for now, I'm fully bearish. So today, once I once I establish the fact that the data is actually saying sell, fully bearish, I went to 1 hour time frame. So now on 1 hour time frame, this was the low on data frame that the price actually tap into. They close inside of it on Tuesday. So my thought was that this Tuesday low will be taken as well today, and then but for that to happen, also that Tuesday high will be taking sorry, this high here, this high will be taken as well, because I believe that above it there's resting liquidity, resting above this old high right here. So I believe that once price tap into this old high, it will sell, take out this low and this overall low on the late time frame. So once I establish these facts on 1 hour time frame, I went to 15-minute time frame here. So on 15-minute time frame, When the market open, I noticed some sort of Judas swing whereby price go up to take out an old high, something like this, and then break down, displace an old low, retrace back, and then sell downward. So this was my idea for this trade. And when market open, it went up above the opening price. Market price went up, take out this old high right here, and then break this low here, retraces back and then sell. So this whole move fulfill my trade idea. So when this old high was taken right here by this candle, I mark this low, hoping to see it break. So this will give me a full sign of bearishness. The price is really bearish. And so when this happened, I set a limit order for sell right here, at the low of this upwards candle, because I don't want to miss a good move because of just risk to reward ratio doesn't have much effect. Because normally I plan to place my um entry right here before, around here, but looking at that, price may not get to this level, so I have to bring the entry a little bit lower. So I brought the entry from here down to this place to reduce my risk of missing this good move. So stop loss above the high, and then this 1 hour low, previous day low, my first target, and then the daily low was overall target, and price hit it right there. So of course, price from here drop, break this low, it traces back, drop a little bit, come up a little bit as well, trace again to this imbalance right here, and then from there sell to this place. So this was the trade I took today, and it was a lovely, beautiful trade. I hope you learned something from this. So if you have any question to ask, you can drop your comment. I'm going to reply your comment. Thank you. See you next time. And if you want me to address any topic, um, drop a comment, and I'm going to make a video on that for you. See you next time, guys.